In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a time block quickly in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once your calendar is on screen, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the main calendar layout where your schedule appears in a grid format. This is important because the next steps work best when your time is displayed in a more detailed view. Now move to the top right area of Google Calendar, where you'll find the calendar view options. Here, switch your grid scale format to either week or day view. These two layouts are ideal because they show your timeline in hourly segments, making it much easier to select a precise block of time. If you stay in a broader view, like month, it can be harder to highlight an exact hour range, so changing the view here gives you better control. After that, look at your timeline and find the specific hour block where you want to create your event or time reservation. Once you've identified the right spot, click and drag your cursor over the target time segment. As you drag, Google Calendar will highlight that section of the schedule, allowing you to visually define the time block you want. This action is useful when you want to create something quickly without manually typing in a start and end time first. Try to drag carefully so the highlighted block matches the exact duration you need. For example, if you want to reserve 1 hour, drag over a single hour slot. If you need more time, continue dragging until the full range is selected. Using the week or day layout makes this process much more accurate, especially if you're planning meetings, focused work sessions, study time, or personal reminders. One helpful tip is to zoom in visually by relying on the day view if your schedule feels crowded. The week view gives you more context across several days, while the day view gives you a closer look at a single date. Both are useful, and choosing between them depends on how much detail you want to see while selecting your time block. Once you've clicked and dragged over the correct hour segment, you've completed the key action needed to mark out that time on your calendar. That's the fastest way to select a specific period directly from the timeline in Google Calendar using Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.